mentioned at school. And left.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
So we're going to Season Salt, but are you ready for acai bowl moment?
Yay!
Yes. Hey everyone, it is Taryn, and this is the fourth attempt to make this video because it has turned out horribly every single time. But we're about to eat some foods. This is Bella's phone. This is the vlog. I'm gonna have a smoothie bowl.
I'm gonna pee.
Yeah, that was the story of our lives. Okay, bye. I feel like I'm our Chamberlain, so. I need a spoon. Where's
Up
the
there,
spoon?
Taryn.
Maybe
Oh, but look down. Be happy, it's an acai bowl. This is the Cobb salad.
This is the acai. Yeah. Highly recommend. As you can see, I have scraped the sides.
It's a little bit of a cheat day today, right, Taryn?
Yeah, so we may have an issue, guys.
Are you gonna pull it out?
Ready?
Wow. What is that?
There's another one.
Oh, we got two? Uh-oh. They're dark chocolate almond cookies.
I finished my meal, everyone. As you all know, I am just continuing to drink my kombucha. This is the blueberry mist, if you wanted to know, by Trubooch. Oh, she's back. His sister is back. My dad is recommending this place to my grandma. So, Grandma Maria, if you're watching this, come.
Well, why do I look like
leaving.
a ghost?
We're leaving.
Oh, he says,
Let's go. So, buy seed and salt. Oh, wow, we were a ghost, honey.
Yeah, let's slow the exposure a bit. So bye, seed and salt. We love you.
Wow,
You're
I'm
our
super
baby.
full.
Guys, definitely come to Seed and Salt. Not sponsored, but wish it was. Nice one.
That was a star move. Oh,
Gotta get that shot for Grandma Maria.
oh, the girls laughing at us.
Yeah. Guys, so that clip you just saw.
So we walked by ballet,
And she
of
goes,
course-
come on, come on.
She goes, girl, come me. And we go, oh, okay. And then we sit in class and she's like, look for turnout. And we're like,
No,
oh,
she said pull up.
and turnout.
Yeah, and
And
then
then she's like, Josh, I'm looking at you.
I laughed at that part.
And
Hey. Hi. So we're about to do what? Acro. We're about to do.
Guys, what do we have right now? Yes. your nose. Touch your nose. To the floor, yes!
Space now.
Which one's harder, Jenna?
They're both very hard.
Nice.
This one.
Cute.
Is the camera off when it's my
No, I turned it back on. Yeah, it's very well.
Work it. Hold it. Get up there and hold it. Go up. 5 seconds. Slowly. 5.
I'm way too scared.
5, 4, 3. This way.
Wait, what?
That was so bad. I hate my ribs. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, that's terrifying.
Look at this, Sam. If you get your phone at the top of your hands, Bella.
Oh, okay.
So go back down, Bella. Yeah, you have to start from there.
Oh, yeah. Ow.
1 foot or 2 feet at a time.
2 feet?
Put this one on the mat at the same time.
Oh, yeah, no.
Yeah, there. Sit with your feet over the floor. Oh,
Your back is so flexible.
Oh, shoot. Then back up again. You shouldn't be looking at the wall. You should be looking at the floor.
You saw us a thumbnail and put a broccoli on each feet. How they turned out? Are they? My hands. I got it.
You're out. Yeah. Let's go, Autumn.
Oh, she just did it.
She did it.
It didn't even teach. Hey guys, so obviously I'm back home. I just had a bath and it is currently 10:30 on the dot. Like literally 10:30:00. And I'm gonna go to bed. I had a really fun day today and I hope you guys enjoyed watching what I eat. And you guys kind of got to see a little bit of my life. Tuesdays are definitely my craziest day. You didn't get to see our variation class really, but we did our variations and I felt really strong today, which is really good. And yeah, if you guys were wondering, my acro coach, or my acro like thing is acrobatic arts, and they come and train with YYC, but you can also take classes from them. So make sure you check them out. They're really, really great. If you live in Calgary, you can take classes from them. They're really, really good. They'll do the exact same class that they did with us tonight with you if you're in the same level. And yeah, it's just a really, really fun program. So make sure you guys check that out. What else? Seed and Salt. Make sure you guys check those guys out. They're amazing. Go to downtown and definitely try it there because the food is so good, but it's also really healthy for you, which is really great. There's so many options for every taste bud on the menu. Obviously, there's not pizza and hamburgers, but there's salads and smoothie bowls and bowls and a whole bunch of different things that are really, really tasty. So make sure you check them out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. I love you guys with all of my heart, and I really hope you guys are enjoying my videos because I'm doing this for you guys, and I really love doing this, and I really want to make it good so that you guys really enjoy watching them. This is a really long outro. You've probably already clicked off, but I love you guys so much, and I hope you have a good night and a good day and a good life. yeah, see you.
Back to me. Back to me.